In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DocuSign fields not showing up. If fields are missing when someone opens a document, it's usually due to a simple setup issue. Follow along and I'll walk you through the exact checks to get everything showing correctly for your signers. Start by opening the envelope in edit mode. Log into DocuSign on your desktop, go to the home area, locate the envelope you're working on, and choose edit to open the document. You want to be editing the envelope itself, not viewing the signing experience. Once it opens, confirm you're in the Prepare view. This is the screen where you can place and configure fields. If the document has already been sent, you won't be able to change the fields. In that case, void the envelope and create a new one so you can rebuild it properly. Next, check recipient assignment. Select a field on the document and look at who it's assigned to. Fields that belong to a different recipient simply won't appear for the current signer. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct person before you send. Color indicators and the recipient drop-down can help you verify this quickly. While you're there, verify field visibility. Click the field and review its properties. Ensure it isn't hidden, and if you've set it to be conditional, confirm the trigger field exists and will be completed by the right signer. A condition without a valid trigger will prevent the field from ever appearing. Also confirm the signing order. If you're using routing order, only the current signer can see their fields. Fields for later signers won't show until it's their turn. Check the recipients panel to ensure the correct signer is active. If a signer says fields are still missing, have them refresh the page or close and reopen the signing link. This forces DocuSign to reload the latest field assignments and often resolves display glitches. By the way, I've placed the official DocuSign link at the very top of the description so you can sign in or access your envelopes quickly. If problems persist, test the document in a different browser like Chrome or Edge to rule out a browser-related display issue. Finally, if fields still don't appear, void the envelope, re-upload your document, add the fields again carefully, and resend. Consider saving your setup as a template to avoid rebuilding next time. That's how to fix DocuSign fields not showing up. If this helped, be sure to check the link in the description, and thanks for watching.